Algo así.
The Howling abyss, a bottomless crevasse surrounded by an ancient fortress carved into a glacier. No one remembers who built this place. No one knows its purpose. No one but me. Long before ash in Sejuani, before magic shattered the broken peaks, before the desert swallowed Shurima, it was the time of the Three Sisters. We were so young back then. Avarosa, Cerilda, and me, Cassandra. Back then, the Frozen Watchers lived here. I do not know where they came from, but I know they were powerful. They gave us gifts, shared their magic, made us immortal. They named us Iceborne. In return, we gave them whatever they desired. This mighty fortress, a vast empire, our loyalty. These were a small price to pay. Avarosa did not see it that way. Like a spoiled child, she cried out for freedom. She demanded choice. She sowed the seeds of rebellion and betrayal. This place is where it happened. On one side, the Frozen Watchers. On the other, Avarosa and her Iceborne horde. Many Iceborne died that day, but in the end, the Watchers fell. Avarosa drove them howling into the abyss. I never forgave her. I had my revenge, but that is another story.